welcome. Today I'm going to make a mesh bowl out of clothesline rope. I buy this clothesline rope at Harbor Freight. I know you can get some at Amazon and all over, but it's only $4.99 at Harbor Freight. It is a little soft, so you kind of need to either wrap it with fabric or use this mesh. I just pin it and then stick it into the mesh tube. It actually goes easier than you would think it would. Takes a minute to get it started. But once you get it started, it actually goes pretty fast. It is a little tedious putting it together, but you could actually do this while you're watching TV at night. Get it ready for the next day. And then at the end, you just want to secure it. I always put a pin in there just to make sure it doesn't move. You definitely don't want to have to redo it. And then I like to kind of run through the whole thing, just making sure there's no kinks, and there's one right there. So it just needs a little bit more rope. Then you definitely want to take some tape and tape it at the end, because when you go to cut it, it is really going to fray. The nice thing about the tape is you cut most of it off so you don't even see it. I probably didn't need to pin that, but just to be safe. Alright, and it is time to put the bowl together. I like to put it on the zigzag stitch, and I use the widest length possible. I always start my circle going the wrong direction. Luckily today I remembered before I started. Then you just want to use your zigzag stitch and make sure there's no holes. My Singer machine sews this so easily. It would be fun to try a great big bowl, a large one. I don't know what I'd use it for, but if I think of something, I might try it. I have a pretty good hole there in the middle. I just sew it shut. You could pin it, I suppose, but I feel like the pins just get in my way. This mesh from the Dollar Tree is really pretty. It has little sparkles in it. I'm only using one hand right now. It's almost like the rope knows right where to go. That is about as big as I want. I kind of want a smaller bowl, so as soon as you decide what size bowl you want, you're going to want to tilt it up. As soon as you start tilting, you're going to notice it's starting to curve. It really doesn't take very long. And then once you come to the end, you just want to put a label on if you have one. I put a little hot glue under that just to hold it steady while I sewed it. And just cut the rest off. And then I just sewed the end down. There's a lot of different ways to end a basket. I seem to do them different each time. On this one, I just sewed it down. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and give me a like. Hopefully I'll have another video soon.